A very good morning to you, my dear boys of class 6. Welcome back to my another class. I am Shravani Mojumdar, your English second paper instructor on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Boys, I hope all of you are well and I am also well. So today I am back to you with another new topic from your syllabus, that is classification of adjectives. So you have to learn this topic today, and first of all you have to take out your CWO copy, then write the headline like classification of adjectives, then you have to write today's date, and also you have to write down my name. Okay, so let's go for our today's class and listen to me carefully, and you have to write each and everything in your CWO copy. Okay, so first of all, I think all of you know what is adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Okay, so adjectives are placed before noun or pronoun. That means we use adjectives before a noun or pronoun to describe that noun or pronoun. Okay, so here are some examples from adjectives. First one is he wore black jacket. So here you can see that jacket is a noun and here black is a describing word. Okay, then number two, she is sitting in red car. So car is a noun and red is a describing word here. Okay, then number three, baby drinks little milk. So milk is a noun and little is a describing word here. Then number four, I have 5 friends. So friends is a noun and 5 is a describing word here. Okay, then number 5, she has silky hairs. So hairs is a describing word, here is a noun and before that I have used an describing word, that is silky. Okay, so adjectives are placed before noun and pronoun. This is the basic idea about adjectives. So you have to write it down, and for writing my note you can pause my video. Okay, first of all you can write this in your copy, then you can again start the video, then when you will write you can also pause it. Okay, so write down this in your CWO copy. Okay, so boys, now I am going to show you there are how many kinds of adjectives are there. Okay, so you can see that there are 6 kinds of adjectives. First one is adjective of quality, then adjective of quantity, then interrogative adjectives, possessive adjective, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective. So you can write like me. Okay, first of all you can draw a circle, types of adjectives, then you can write like me. So how many kinds of adjectives are here? There are 6 kinds of adjectives. Okay, so we are going to learn one by one. Okay, now you pause my video and write it down, then again start it. Okay, so I am going to show you first of all adjective of quality. Here you can see that I have written words that describe quality of a noun or pronoun, that is adjective of quality. That means when you will use the words to describe the quality of a noun or pronoun, that will be adjective of quality. Okay, so example, I have a nice teddy. So teddy is a noun and before that I have used the word nice, and when you will find this word nice you will be able to know about the quality of the teddy. That's why nice is the quality of adjective or adjective of quality. Okay, so you can use here I have a brown teddy, or you can write here I have a awesome teddy, or you can write here I have a cute teddy. Okay, so they all are also adjective of quality because they are showing the quality of this teddy. Okay, that's why they are adjective of quality. So when you will find the question of what kind, that will become the adjective of quality. So if I say what kind of teddy, that is nice. So this is the adjective of quality. Okay, so if I say what kind of teddy, if the answer becomes brown, then brown is the adjective of quality. If I say what kind of teddy, if the answer becomes awesome, then awesome will be the adjective of quality. If I say what kind of teddy, the answer will become cute, then cute will be the adjective of quality. Okay, so I think all of you are clear about adjective of quality. Adjective of quality are words that are used to describe the quality of noun or pronoun. Okay, so you will become able to know about the quality of some noun or pronoun by using adjective of quality. Okay, now pause my video, then keep my note, and after keeping the note you can again start the video. Okay, now there is number second, adjective of quantity. So here is written, words that describe quantity of noun or pronoun, that is adjective of quantity. Okay, so example, I have enough money. So quantity means, boys, how much. So when you will ask how much, if you get the answer, that will become the adjective of quantity. Okay, so we use adjective of quantity before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, and we use that types of adjective of quantity to describe the noun or pronoun also. Okay, so there you can use some examples from this. If I say I have some money, so some will become the adjective of quantity. If I say I have little money, then little will become the adjective of quality. If I say I have more money, then more will be the adjective of quantity. So you have to remember that we actually use adjective before a noun or a pronoun. Okay, so if it shows how much, that will be the adjective of quantity. If it shows what kind, that will be the adjective of quality. So you have to remember what kind for quality, how much for quantity. Okay, so pause my video, keep the note, and then start it again. Okay, then I am going for number 3, that is adjective of number. This is also easy. Words that describe exact number of a noun. So when you will find the exact number of a noun, that will become the adjective of number. Okay, so example, Shivani has 4 apples. So here 4 will become the adjective of number. So when you will get the answer of how many, that will become the adjective of number. Okay, so to find out the adjective of number, you have to ask the question how many. Okay, how many apples? 4 apples. If I say Shivani has an apple, so you have to ask the question how many apple? 1 apple. If I say Shivani has 10 apples, then 10 will become the adjective of number. If I say Shivani has 8 apples, then 8 will become the adjective of numbers. So to find out the adjective of numbers, you have to ask the noun with the question how many. Okay, now demonstrative adjective. Words that points out a person, thing or animal, that is demonstrative adjective. Okay, so to point out a person, thing or animal, we use demonstrative adjective. Okay, example, this book is mine. So here I have pointed out this book by using the word this. Okay, so if I say that book is mine, so I have pointed out the book with that. If I say these books are mine, so I have pointed out the book with these. If I say those books are mine, so I have pointed out the book with those. So we use the words to point out a person, thing or animal. Okay, so there is a difference between a pronoun and also between a demonstrative adjective. Okay, sometimes these, that, these and those can be pronoun if there is verb after it. That means when I will say this book, okay, so that means book is a noun and I have used this here before this noun. Okay, that's why that this is a demonstrative adjective. But in this sentence you can see that this is my book. Here I have used a verb here. Okay, so when we will use these, that, those or these before a verb, that will become a pronoun, not the adjective. Okay, so আমি আসলে কি বলেছি বাংলা ভার্সন বয়েজ একটু ভালো করে শোনো। আই থিঙ্ক ইংলিশ ভার্সন বয়েজও শুনতে পারো যদি বাংলায় বুঝতে চাও। সেটা হচ্ছে আমরা নর্মালি অ্যাডজেক্টিভগুলো ইউজ করি নাউনের আগে। তার মানে হচ্ছে নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের আগে তুমি অ্যাডজেক্টিভটা খুঁজে পাবে। কিন্তু এখানে দেখো ফার্স্ট সেন্টেন্সে আমি ইউজ করেছি বুকের আগে এই দিস। ওকে, সেজন্য হচ্ছে এখানে দিসটা ডেমনস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ। আর ইন দ্য সেকেন্ড সেন্টেন্স দেখো এখানে ইজ হচ্ছে ভার্ব, ওকে, ভার্বের আগে এই দিসটা ইউজ করেছি, তার মানে যেহেতু ভার্বের আগে এই দিসটা ইউজ হয়েছে তার মানে এটা অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হবে না, এটা হবে প্রোনাউন। ওকে, সো অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হতে হলে সেটা অবশ্যই নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের আগে ইউজ হতে হবে। আর যেটা ডেমনস্ট্রেটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ সেগুলো হচ্ছে পয়েন্ট আউট করে নাউন বা প্রোনাউনকে। ওকে, I think all of you are clear about that. So we use these types of demonstrative adjective to point out a person, thing or animal. If I say this man is poor, so that in that sentence this will be also the demonstrative adjective. Okay, so keep the notes, I will show you more examples so you will be more clear about that. Okay, now I am going for the next topic. So interrogative adjective. WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. So interrogative adjectives are WH words and they are used with nouns to ask questions. Okay, so write it down in your copy. So interrogative adjectives are like who, whose, whom, which and what. Okay, so they are the interrogative adjectives. You have to write it down in your copy. Then WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. So we use interrogative adjectives with the nouns to ask questions. Okay, so example, which book is yours? So here you can see that which is used before a noun, that's why which is an interrogative adjective here. But in the second sentence you can see that which is your book. So in this sentence which is used before a noun, before a verb, that's why this which is not an adjective, this is a pronoun. Okay, তাহলে ডিফারেন্সটা কি দেখো, এখানে বুক হচ্ছে নাউন, নাউনের আগে যখন আমি হুইচটা ইউজ করেছি তার মানে হচ্ছে এটা ইন্টারোগেটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, আর এখানে ইজ হচ্ছে ভার্ব, ভার্বের আগে আমি হুইচ ইউজ করেছি সেজন্য এটা আর ইন্টারোগেটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হবে না, এটা হয়ে যাবে প্রোনাউন। ওকে, তাহলে ডিফারেন্সটা কি, ডিফারেন্স হচ্ছে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হতে হলে অবশ্যই সেটা নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের আগে ইউজ হতে হবে, আর নাউন বা প্রোনাউন ছাড়া যদি ভার্বের আগে সেটা ইউজ হয় সেটা তখন আর অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হবে না, সেটা হয়ে যাবে প্রোনাউন। I think all of you are clear. Okay, so you have to learn which are the interrogative adjectives and where they are used. Okay, now going for next topic, please try to write each and everything in your copy for your better understanding. Okay, now here is possessive adjective, words that are used to show ownership. Remember, ownership. So we use these types of adjectives to show the ownership. Example, Joe left his bat at home. So here you can see that bat is a noun and before that I have used here his. Okay, so his is showing here ownership, that's why that is an possessive adjective. Okay, so if I say I left my bat at home, then my will be the possessive adjective. If I say we left our bat at home, then our will be the possessive adjective. If I say she left her bat at home, then her will be the possessive adjective. So there are also the difference. Example, the bat next to the window is his. So here his is not a possessive adjective, here his is a pronoun. দেখো কেন হয়েছে এটা প্রোনাউন, এখানে আমি ব্যাট হচ্ছে একটা নাউন, নাউনের আগে আমি এখানে হিজ ইউজ করেছি সেজন্য কিন্তু এটা পজিটিভ অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হয়েছে, আর এখানে আমি হিজের আগে দেখো একটা ভার্ব আছে, ঠিক আছে, যখন ভার্বের পরে এটা ইউজ হবে হিজ, হার অর আওয়ার্স, তখন সেগুলো আর অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হবে না, সেগুলো হয়ে যাবে প্রোনাউন। ঠিক আছে, তার মানে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হতে হলে সেটা অবশ্যই নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের সাথে কানেকশন থাকতে হবে। সো যখন এক্সাম্পল পাবা এরকম যে ভার্বের পরে আছে সেটা কিন্তু প্রোনাউন, আর যখন তুমি নাউন বা প্রোনাউনের আগে দেখবে সেটা হচ্ছে adjective. Okay, so boys, I hope all of you are clear. I am using Bangla for the better understanding of Bangla version boys. Okay, so here you can see that confusion of whether word is adjective or pronoun. So sometimes we become confused if the words are pronoun or adjective. Okay, so you have to remember that word used instead of noun is pronoun. Okay, then word used to describe noun is adjective. So what is the difference? We use pronoun instead of noun, and we use adjective to describe the noun. You have to remember it, and also you have to write it down in your copy. Okay, so here is in short what we learned in this video. Okay, so you can see that there are types of adjectives and there are examples. First of all, adjective of quality, baby has soft skin. Number 2, adjective of quantity, I have enough knowledge. Adjective of number, Sanjay came first in the class. At demonstrative adjective, that pen is mine. Interrogative adjective, whose bicycle is this? Possessive adjective, my mother is here. Okay, so you have to write it down in your copy. Here I have written in short about the types of adjectives and also the examples, and I have shown you what is the difference between adjectives and also difference between pronoun. Okay, so all of you have to learn it very well. Now I am going to show you more examples from adjective of quality and also rest of the adjectives. Okay, so first of all, you can see that adjective of quality tells about what kind. Okay, so boys, I think today I should not show you this. Okay, you should learn up to this, and in the next class I will show you rest of the things. Okay, so I think boys, you need too much time to write every teacher's CW or HW. That's why today's lesson is completed here. Okay, তার মানে হচ্ছে আজকে আমি আর পড়াচ্ছি না, আজকে এইটুকু পর্যন্তই লেখো এবং শেখার চেষ্টা করো আমি কি বলেছি। যদি কোনো প্রবলেম ফেস করো আমাকে অবশ্যই জানাবে, আমি আবার ক্লিয়ার করার চেষ্টা করব। আর নেক্সট ক্লাসে আমি আবার অ্যাডজেক্টিভ সম্পর্কে আর একটু ইন ডিটেলসে এক্সাম্পলগুলো দেখাবো। ওকে, আই উইল শো ইউ দ্য এক্সাম্পলস এগেইন, বাট বিফোর দ্যাট ইউ হ্যাভ টু রাইট ইচ অ্যান্ড এভরিথিং ইন ইয়োর কপি অ্যান্ড অলসো ইউ হ্যাভ টু লার্ন। ওকে, সো বয়েজ, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ ফর ওয়াচিং মাই ক্লাস. English version boys and Bangla version boys, all of you take care, stay safe at home, and see you in my next class. Thank you very much.